Hey, this is Josh.
I'm Richard. We're going to show you how to use a
Potato cannon.
potato cannon. It's really easy to make, just household stuff, you know. You use PVC pipe, Aqua Net hairspray, and a potato. The way it works, you got a little, pawl lighter thing here in the cap. And you're going to put some lubricant on whatever you're shooting so it slides down so you don't have a lot of so it doesn't get stuck. So you can use it the best. So let's get started.
Make sure it fits in there nice and snugly with no, air pockets or visible light showing through. If there is very little bit visible light, it should be okay, but here Richard's using a rake to push the potato down the... That's my grandma and my dad.
We're ready to go.
Alright.
What we're going to do...
Just spray some of that Aqua Net in there. Not a whole lot, because then there won't be that much oxygen in there to blow the thing up. 1, 2, 3. Get on there nice and tight. And a rush to the back.
Ready? And that's potato cannon.